In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an OBS Studio account, or more accurately, how to install and set up OBS Studio, since OBS does not require an account to use. The first thing you want to do is go to the official OBS Studio website and open the download page. Once you're there, select the version that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Be sure you're downloading from the official OBS site so you get the correct and safest installer. Next, click the download button for your system and wait for the installer to finish downloading. After that, open the installer file and follow the setup instructions on your screen. You may be asked to accept the license agreement and choose an installation location. If you're not sure, the default location is usually fine for most people. When the installation is complete, launch OBS Studio. One important thing to know here is that you do not need to sign up, create an account, or log in. OBS works as a standalone application. The first time OBS opens, you should see the auto configuration wizard. This tool is helpful because it recommends settings based on your computer and, if you plan to stream, your internet connection as well. Choose whether you want to optimize OBS for streaming, recording, or virtual camera use, then continue through the wizard. OBS will also suggest video settings like resolution and frames per second, and you can let it apply the recommended options for now. If needed, you can always change these later in settings. Then video. Now it's time to build your first scene. In the scenes panel, click the plus icon and give your scene a clear name, like main recording. After that, go to the sources panel and click the plus icon to add your screen. Choose display capture if you want to record your entire screen, or window capture if you only want to show one specific app. You can also add your webcam by choosing video capture device from the sources menu, then selecting your camera. Once it appears in the preview, resize it and move it into position. For audio, check the audio mixer and make sure your microphone shows activity when you speak. If it doesn't, go to settings, then audio, and select the correct microphone. After that, head to Settings, then Output to choose where your recordings will be saved, along with the format and quality you prefer. OBS also lets you add other source types like images, text, browser windows, game capture, media files, and capture cards. Arrange everything in the preview until the layout looks right. Before you begin, test your audio and video carefully, then make a short test recording, stop it, and review the file to confirm everything looks and sounds good. If you plan to stream, go to Settings, then Stream, choose your platform, and follow its connection instructions. Once everything is ready, click Start Recording for videos or Start Streaming for live broadcasts.